In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ADD QR code in Zoho Invoice. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enable a QR code on your invoices so customers can quickly scan to view key details or reach the online invoice page. I'll walk you through the settings, the different QR types, and how to pull in dynamic fields like the invoice date, number, and total. Start on your Zoho Invoice dashboard and open the settings by clicking the gear icon. This takes you into the application's configuration area where you control how your invoices look and behave. From there, head into the invoice's preferences. This section houses invoice-specific options such as layout settings, display toggles, and importantly, the QR code feature. Find the option labeled Invoice QR Code and turn it on. Enabling this tells Zoho Invoice to generate a QR code automatically on your invoices based on the content you choose. It's a small change that can make a big difference in how quickly customers access and understand your billing information. Next, choose the QR code type. You'll typically see two choices. If you select Invoice URL, the QR code will point to the secure, shareable online version of the invoice. This is great when you want recipients to scan the code and instantly open the invoice on their device to view, download, or pay. If you choose custom, you can decide exactly what information the QR code encodes. Click Configure to define the content. Instead of typing static text, use insert placeholders so the code automatically pulls details from each invoice. Placeholders are dynamic fields that get replaced with real values at the time the invoice is generated, which saves you from manual edits and ensures accuracy. From the placeholder list, you can add items such as the invoice date, the invoice number, and the total amount. Consider adding simple labels and separators like invoice no, or commas and line breaks, so the decoded text is easy to read. Keep your format concise and be consistent with how you present amounts and dates to avoid confusion for customers and internal teams alike. When you're happy with the content, click Update to apply the configuration. Finally, click Save in the invoice preferences to commit your changes. That's it. Going forward, your invoices will include a QR code based on your chosen type and content, giving your customers a quick, reliable way to access their invoice information with a simple scan.